Hi, I'm Dr. Akshita Jain, consultant physiotherapist. I practice in the field of physiotherapy.
Can you tell us your qualifications and the years of experience that you have?
So I've qualified myself as a graduate in physiotherapy actually, and it's been 5 plus years I'm practicing.
What kind of physiotherapy services do you offer at Manubhai Shah Medical and Research Center?
So here we are offering general physiotherapy along with a few specializations. So especially I see a lot of antenatal and postnatal care patients. Moreover, apart from that, we also have a tie-up where we come to your buildings, a society, and we can also take aquatherapy sessions in there.
What motivated you to work in physiotherapy within a diagnostic setup?
So coming to the diagnostic setup, basically more than motivation, it's all about patient care. Because whenever you work in a diagnostic setup, a patient is taken care about from all the dimensions when it comes to probably orthopedic or neurosurgeons, we have it all here. So when it comes to patient recovery and rehabilitation, it's much better here.
What conditions do you most commonly treat? Pain management, post surgery rehab, or posture corrections, or anything more?
With the current lifestyle, actually everything. So the younger generations will walk in with a lot of posture imbalances. The middle age walk in with a lot of pain and degenerative changes. But physiotherapy is not only about curing, it's also about prevention. So earlier the better is what I would want to tell you.
How do diagnostic tests like x rays, MRIs, etc., help you plan better physiotherapy treatment?
To be honest, the diagnostic tests will just add on to what you've planned. But movement is everything, your range is everything, your muscle strength is everything. Diagnostic test will just help you to have a better understanding, probably, but not everything.
What techniques or modalities are available at the center? For example, MFR or cupping or electrotherapy exercises?
We are well updated with all the techniques, modalities, maybe cupping, maybe dry needling, maybe a well furnished place, the beds, the cycling, a treadmill. When it comes to fitness or women's health or a neuro or a cardiac rehab for that matter, we have it all here.
What's your approach to helping patients recover sustainably and not just temporarily?
Patient can help themselves is the biggest motto. Don't try just getting the pain off your body. Understand why do you have that pain and treat the cause, not pain.